Have you ever wondered why some men have women gravitating toward them effortlessly, while others can't even get a second glance? Is there some secret formula, some hidden cheat sheet that makes certain guys irresistible? Well, my friend, the answer is a big yes. There are psychological triggers that can instantly boost your attractiveness, making you the kind of man women can't help but desire. It's not about looks alone. It's about playing the right cards, making the right moves, and, most importantly, understanding what truly makes women tick. And guess what? Today, you're getting VIP access to some of the most powerful attraction secrets. So pay close attention, because what I'm about to share isn't just surface-level dating advice. These are real, proven psychological triggers that can make a woman want to be with you, both emotionally and physically. Let's dive in. Attraction. Trigger number 1. The power of validation. The first thing you need to understand is that women seek validation in their interactions with men. It's not just about attraction. It's about how being with you makes her feel about herself. Think about it. What are most men obsessed with these days? Mindlessly consuming explicit content, video games, distractions. And what are most women hooked on? Social media, posting selfies, gathering likes, getting attention. Women crave validation. It's a core psychological need. Now, here's the catch. She already knows that you want her. That's a given. But if you make it too easy, if you seem too eager, too available, there's no challenge, no validation for her. She doesn't feel like winning you over is an accomplishment. And that, my friend, is where most men lose the game. Let me give you a real-life example. My friend Jack was dating this girl in his early 20s. He felt they weren't vibing well and decided to end things. When he told her it wasn't working out, she suddenly flipped. In an instant, she went from distant and uninterested to desperate for his attention. She literally started undressing in front of him, begging him to be with her. Why? Because the moment she felt she was losing him, she craved his validation more than ever. When something is too easily available, it loses its value. But when it feels like a prize to be won, its worth skyrockets. Lesson: if you want a woman to want you, don't hand over your validation on a silver platter. Make her earn it. Attraction. Trigger number 2. Competition anxiety. Now, listen closely, because this is one of the most powerful attraction triggers that most men overlook. Women are instinctively wired to desire men that other women desire. It's not about the act of intimacy alone. It's about who you are in her social world. If she senses that other high-quality women are drawn to you, she will instinctively want to claim you for herself. Why does this happen? Simple biology. Women want security, status, and value in a partner. If a man is desirable to other women, it signals that he must have something valuable: status, confidence, charm, or success. It creates an urgency in her mind. If I don't secure him now, someone else will. Have you ever noticed how women become more interested in a man when they find out he's in a relationship? It's not a coincidence. It's a subconscious trigger. She sees that another woman has validated his value. So, what's the takeaway? You don't have to fake having multiple women interested in you, but you should present yourself as a man who has options. Build a life so fulfilling that she feels she's competing for a spot in it. Attraction. Trigger number 3. A woman's biological clock. Here's a fact that most men never think about. Women's attraction is heavily influenced by their biological instincts. Whether consciously or subconsciously, many women are driven by the desire to find a man who can provide security and stability. This doesn't mean she's necessarily thinking about having kids right now, but her instincts push her toward men who could be great long-term partners. This is why women are naturally drawn to men with purpose, direction, and ambition. It's not just about financial success. It's about your ability to build. Whether it's a career, a business, or even just self-improvement, a man who is constantly evolving and growing is incredibly attractive. Now, let's get real for a second. If you're stuck in life, making no progress, lacking ambition, and waiting for a woman to magically change your world, you're doing it all wrong. You need to be on your own path before she comes along, because when she sees that you're a man with purpose, she'll want to be a part of your journey. At the end of the day, every man writes his own destiny. The difference between a man who effortlessly attracts women and a man who constantly struggles isn't just luck. It's understanding these psychological triggers and using them to your advantage. So here's my challenge to you. Start building. Start improving. Start valuing yourself as a man of high status and confidence. When you do that, attraction becomes effortless. And hey, if you're serious about becoming a high-value man and mastering attraction, make sure to subscribe to this channel. This is just the beginning. We have a lot more powerful content coming your way. Drop a comment below and say, I am a powerful man and I grow daily. Let's make this a movement. See you in the next video. Take care, my friend.